everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a fall inspired recipe. I'm going to be making pumpkin spaghetti, being that it's around that time of the year again and everyone's looking for fall recipes on Pinterest. So I decided to try this. I never made it before. I'm just going to be making up stuff as I go along, so come join me. So I'm cooking some gluten-free spaghetti on the stove. So first I'm just going to chop one yellow onion. I'm going to dice it up and saute it in the pan with some mushrooms. Okay. I think that's enough onions. I'm also going to be using these leftover oyster mushrooms, king oyster mushrooms that I sliced up. See? That's how they look sliced up. If you never made fried chicken with these, like vegan fried chicken, you should use these because this makes a perfect vegan fried chicken. It tastes just like the real thing. So now I'm going to add some oil to a non-stick pan and saute the onions. You can also use water if you don't want to use oil. So as my onions are cooking, I'm going to slice up the mushrooms. Okay, this orange stuff is from the fried chicken that I made yesterday. Some of the batter got on it, so it's not a big deal. This normally doesn't look like that. How should I slice it? I just slice them up. So I don't want them to be too thick, so I'm just going to slice them a little thinner, the thick pieces. Okay, so I sliced up my mushrooms. So now once the onions are cooked, just remove it from the heat and put it on the plate. Okay, so the same thing with the onions. We're just going to add a little oil or water if you want and cook the mushrooms down. La 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 la. I'm adding a little salt, sea salt. And some black pepper, just a little bit of black pepper. Now I'm going to remove it from the heat and place it beside the onions. These oyster mushrooms look like little chicken bites. Looks just like little chicken bites. This is a good chicken substitute. Okay, so now I'm going to get started on the sauce. I'm using this 100% pure pumpkin puree. And you can use tomato sauce. I don't have any, so I'm going to use some chipotle sauce. This is a 7-ounce can. So here I have 1 cup of the pumpkin puree, and I'm adding it to the pan. It's just so weird. pumpkin spaghetti. I hate when cans do this. Don't want to cut myself off. Okay, this stuff is spicy, so I'm not going to add the whole thing. I don't know how spicy it's going to get. So I'm going to add half of it right now. So I'm adding some fresh basil. That's like a tablespoon. I'm adding a half a teaspoon of crushed garlic. A half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. Just sprinkle some of that in there. And I'm adding a half a teaspoon of sea salt. I'm adding half cup of almond milk. You can use any plant-based milk you want. Okay, so I'm going to add this organic cane sugar. I'm going to add a few tablespoons. So that was 2 tablespoons. So now I'm going to add the oyster mushrooms and the onions. I'm also going to add this vegan go veggie parmesan cheese. So I added 2 tablespoons of that. I'm adding my spaghetti noodles. I can't wait to try this. It smells really good. But I don't know what it's gonna taste like. Okay, now it's time to plate our pumpkin spaghetti. I feel like I need something at the top just to look better. I'm gonna add some crushed red pepper flakes just for some extra spice. Ooh, yeah. And garnish with some spinach leaves. Look at that. Woo-hoo. Okay, time for the taste test. Here's my fork. Okay, it's time for the taste test. Piece of hair. It's good. This is actually really tasty. And the oyster mushrooms add that meaty texture if you like meat in your spaghetti. Okay. If you love pumpkins and spaghetti, you have to make this because it's the perfect combination. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.